Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How is everyone doing today? My name is Martyn Lucas. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome all. What a day, what a morning, what a week, what a couple of weeks. A lot's gone on here today in the early hours of setting up the show as well. I'll share with you later on what I'm talking about. But right now, click subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to be notified about my shows, and give us a thumbs up. We had a record of 50 thumbs up a week or so ago, but our average is 20, so hopefully we'll get to there again today. Absolutely great. Okay, let's go right now live over to the show. There you can see where we are right now. Hello, myself. There you go. Welcome to our podcast as well. If you listen to us on podcast as well, lovely to have you here. Here we are. Look. In the last hour, we're down very, very slightly, but things are looking up on the day. Just down slightly this morning, but we're all good. We're perfectly fine with this. We made some real gains yesterday. Let's go over to the main trading screen, and you'll see we're okay. We're just down a little bit this morning. Our first guest in the show here is the Queen of Self-Braiding. Let me bring a comment in. If you'd like your comment on the screen, talk to the main team, you need to be here in YouTube. We are broadcasting on Facebook right now. We're also on Twitter, multiple groups, and but the home of our show, without a question, is here on YouTube. So be part of the show. If you're listening to us on the podcast, we welcome you for that. We enjoy that, the fact that you listen to us on podcast after the show. If you'd like to be part of the main live show, the link to the YouTube show live is underneath the audio. So have a little look in the description and join us live on the main show. Love to have you here. And we love when our guests come over as well from podcast. We give you a very big warm welcome when you do that as well. We'd love to have you over here. Wonderful. Right, let's go. We got some more guests coming in now. Let me bring in Bill. Morning, Queenie. There we go. And Cameron Keane. Very excited. Cameron Keane's building his own brokerage. We're very excited about that, and we'd like to be part of all that. We are a very honest, genuine, new channel growing with a family principle of support. I have a very, very important announcement to make today. It's coming out after this show. There will be a video coming out shortly after this show, so I hope you'll check that out with me. All right, but let's go right now and look at the trades. First of all, Tesla is down on the pre-market. A lot of things down right now on the pre-market, but I'm not concerned about that. I don't see a big drop back. Virgin Galactic is up 0.38. This is so good for Virgin Galactic. Gauze Guggenheim is up 1.17. Lucid is down 2.5%. Robinhood is up 2.5%. This is great news. Lovely to see this. Good morning, Christopher. Oh, Christopher, I'm glad you've joined us because I've got the Rogues Gallery. The Rogues Gallery during the night. Bill ordered a face mask, Martyn Lucas Day Trader face mask, and I think it was Martin Redding ordered the very limited edition, the very exclusive black mug. And as you order those items, you take pictures and send them in. So I've got this to share with you, Christopher. So, and I've got a picture of you. So here we go. Let me go over to this. I want to bring this in and show you. This is Dr. Smith with his mug. There he is. He's got his own mug there. Look, brilliant. And we've got Muzanella with his mug. There we go. And we've got Sam, who we met the other day. Met in person. Lovely to meet Sam in person. And we've got Robert. Robert Durant has got his mug. And I got one last night. Look, Dave Mottram sent in his mug. Look at that. He's got a full head of hair. Look at him. Look. I wish I was like that. And then we have Christopher. There he is. Look. Christopher said, I don't want a mug. Give it to someone else. Because Muzanella was buying 10 mugs. But here's Christopher. Look. And he's at the computer with me on the screen. Absolutely wonderful. Right. Great stuff. I thought I'd just share that with you, Christopher. I hope you like that. All right. Brilliant. Let's go back over the trading screen. So I've got a very heartfelt video coming out this afternoon as well. Some of the difficulties, the sadness and frustrations of an online creator I've had quite a bit of stress recently, and I wanted to share with you in a video. I'm not going to talk about it in this show, keeping us on the trading, but it comes out this afternoon. Have a little listen to that if that interests you. All right, if you want to know more of a personal insight to me. I didn't say I didn't want one. I said there are more deserving people. I know, that's what I meant. You know what I mean. You were donating to somebody else. That's what I meant. I know that. And look forward to having a chat with you later on this morning, Christopher, as well. Love to talk to you about what we were talking about. And I absolutely agree. There's so much we want to do with LSC. It needs to grow, and we need to talk about it. All right, PayPal is up 0.25%. Immersion up 0.3%. Harpoon is flat this morning, always is before the bell goes. We've got just 14 minutes to go. And Rolls-Royce is flat, as it always is before the bell. Boeing is up 0.37. Apple is up 0.51. Evgo is up 1.55. And Sono is up 2.31. Okay, still not making any money with that, of course. Ethereum, a bit of a dip. There's a bit of a drama at the moment around Bitcoin and crypto and all the main players. A bit of a stress going on with it. And you got to decide right now, do you think that crypto is going to go to mush, to nothing? Do you believe in it? I believe in it. You should only invest in what you actually believe in. You shouldn't invest because someone has told you to invest in it. You need to know what you've invested in and stick with it. If the situation or the fundamentals change, then fine. But there's some very, very big YouTubers who feel they can influence the market by threatening to sell their Bitcoin. I'm talking like 1 million plus subscribers when it drops to 40, if it drops to 40. And remember, these guys bought in at when it was 5,000 and stuff like that. And that's putting a lot of dampener on the market. Me personally, I got into Bitcoin because of my own beliefs in what it stands for, not because someone told me to. So I'm perfectly fine. Now, that doesn't mean to say I get it wrong. Bitcoin could go to zero. Microsoft could go to zero. Anything can go to zero. It's why you need a balanced portfolio. But you need to be confident with your own due diligence, your own research, your own beliefs, and also mitigate and spread the risk and so on and so forth. Why a balanced portfolio is so important. It's more important to manage risk than it is to concern yourself with making profits. Because you make profits and then suddenly everything collapses, it was pretty pointless. You have to know what you believe in and what you've invested in. So right now there's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of doubt and insecurity of will Bitcoin and all these things do what everyone has said they'll do. But you have to believe in it or don't be in it. Don't be unsure. Cameron Keane says, I believe in it, but I think another big dip is on its way. Well, if that's the case, you have two choices. You either sell out now and then buy back cheaper, or you just dollar average and buy some more when it's cheaper. That's your choice. You have to think that. Now, if I believed that Bitcoin was going to drop dramatically. I mean, let's say Bitcoin. I mean, I'm currently down $225 right now on Bitcoin. All right. That doesn't mean to say I'm down $225. Let me get that straight. I've bought and sold this lots of times. I've made lots of money with Bitcoin. That's why my portfolio has grown. Right. I've made money, but I then bought when it was higher and it was climbing up as well, made some profits there, and so my average is now increased. It used to be 34. I've not held forever. I've been buying on the way up as well. So currently now, because I've sold and where we are, I'm down, but that's not relevant. That's not the full picture. It's just right now I'm down with the money I've got invested in it. Right now, if I thought that Bitcoin was going to be 20,000 tomorrow or in the next coming weeks or what have you, if I thought that was the case, what I should do is sell that now and take a $225 loss. Absolutely. Put $5,500 in my buying power and be done with it. and then buy it back at 20,000. Well, if I thought that was the case, that is exactly what I should do, and I'd be stupid not to do it. But I don't know that's the case. I don't know that's the case. I believe at any minute this could do a parabolic upswing and go up to 100,000. So, you know, at the end of the day, I don't know. So that's the choice you have to make, but you have to be confident with that. Thank you ever so much, Cameron Keane. Everyone go hit the like button. I've got an army of people here today supporting me, and I tell you what, this is what my video is about this afternoon. Off air, and when I'm not doing these shows, I get all kinds of sadness and stress and attacks and so on. And I've got a video coming out this afternoon about that, and I hope you'll watch it. I don't want to talk about it in this show right now to keep us on point, but I appreciate that I have such a dedicated team of people that follow me every single day, and it gets more and more people every single day. And you watch me for hours and hours a day. I mean, the commitment you guys have to me is more than most people watch normal TV. I mean, it's phenomenal, and I want to address that this afternoon. Anyway, we've got just over 15 minutes to go before the bell goes, and right now, as you can see, we are seeing a bit of a drop right now. So Cameron says, I believe in it, but I think another big dip. When you say a big dip, what do you believe, and where do you get that knowledge from? This is what concerns me. So many people, where do we get the knowledge from with Bitcoin and any crypto? Remember, it doesn't actually do anything, it doesn't make anything. So who are you listening to? Who are we listening to when it comes to where Bitcoin or any crypto is going? Hey, good morning, Mark Korn. Morning, family. Love when people say that. Good morning, Patty, Patricia as well from Italy. Fantastic. Thanks for all being here. Lovely stuff. Lovely to have you here. There we go, everybody. Let me share with you quickly the Rogues Gallery, because some of you have not seen the Fans Gallery. We have a Fans Gallery now. Yeah, we do. Let me show you. Here we go. We've got Dr. Smith with his mug. There he is. And we've got Musanello with his mug. And we've got Christopher there watching the show in Canada. We got Sam I met the other night. We got Robert Durant there as well. We've got Dave Motley. There he is. And I know some of you as well have ordered the limited edition black mug and face mask as well. So there's more coming out. Send in your pictures when you do. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, we've got a good army now as well over on the we've got, is that 30, 27, 31 members now to the Discord group. Great. A lot of questions coming in now in the Ask the Team. I was unable to answer the question. A couple of questions that were asked, and I didn't have the answers to. So if you go and have a look there, see if you're able to answer those questions. I was unable to. I said I don't have any experience or knowledge on that particular subject, but if you do, feel free to jump in the Discord group. All right, we've got just 15 minutes to go. We've had a lot of recoveries this week. If you remember, we were down at 48,000 a few days ago. So this is great. I mean, it's nothing compared to the all-time high, as you can see, of 58. It was up to 58 at one point. Can't quite find it on that graph there, but it was. And we're moving back towards it again. I still think by the end of the year we're going to rally. So I'm hoping to be up here again. Maybe even higher, actually. I actually thought we'd be at 60,000 by the end of the year. But we shall see what happens. Bartos is here. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, Bartos, to the show. Lovely to have you here. Wonderful. We've got a good crowd coming in now. Alpha Gaming as well. Hey, we've got a really good... check out cryptocurrency Polygon and Matic. On the Polygon network, Matic. Okay, we'll have a look at that in a second. We're just waiting now for the bell. We've got 15 minutes to go. What's your best stock, bud? Well, I've made most money on Bitcoin. most of my money has been made trading Bitcoin. Even though I'm down very slightly now, I've traded this multiple times, many times, 20, 30, 40. I've lost count of how many times I've traded it. You know, I traded it many times, and this has made me most money. What I believe in the most is Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic, I think, is going to make me more money than any other stock. I believe this figure here, 8,000, is going to turn into $80,000 within a year. Absolutely, 100%, no doubt whatsoever. I've got like this, no doubt at all, because it's the best space tourism company by far. It sold its tickets. I mean, it sold its tickets. There is absolutely no reason whatsoever why it's down there, other than the obvious reason. Of course, Richard Branson sold his stock because he's not flying right now. I mean, we're not going to fly until January, February next year. And it reached a peak, and he sold a lot of his stock, and he put profit. He made profit and put it into his other Virgin businesses, and he'll buy back shortly. Obviously, and people have got no news to talk about. This guy, well, they're not flying. They've delayed the flights. Not delayed flights because of problems. They're just getting ready for the next phase. I mean, this is the most ridiculous sell-off in the history of stocks. So, what is my best stock? Best stock so far to make money has been Bitcoin. Best stock next year to make myself $80,000 out of 8,000. Virgin Galactic, no question about it. If that doesn't happen, I'll literally eat my hat live on the show. I'm very confident of that. I absolutely believe it, 100%. All right, we're picking up now. Look at this. We're getting good, getting close to the bell. And if you see that, Virgin Galactic is up, rising again. Just saying. I'm just saying. Matic is going to fail. That's just my opinion. Of course, no one knows about any of the crypto. I have to say, my personal belief is there is too much crypto now. There are too many options. It's all got very, very, very over complicated and very confusing. The purpose of crypto was to simplify the world and give us a digital currency that we all use, we all share. For me, there are only two you need. There's one, which is the most purest of all crypto, Bitcoin. That's the one, that's an asset. That's a replacement for gold, in my opinion. And Ethereum, when they can sort the costs out and so on and so forth. That to me is all you need. Of course, we had a bit of fun the other day. Everybody said, hey, why aren't you in Shiba Inu? A complete and utter joke. But I got $200 on it because I see it as a lottery ticket. Because it could get pumped by the Shiba army on Reddit. And it could go ridiculous. And the moment it makes any significant amount of money, I will sell it. And I won't go, oh, look, it's gone to $1 million. I could have been a millionaire. I won't do that. I won't care less. I'll go, I've made some money. That's fine. That's the way I see it. Alpha, we will have a look at it though. All right, we look at everything you asked to look at. We give everybody the same level of support and so on. Bartos, I notice you are always talking about Virgin Galactic. Why are you so confident about that? Why? Okay. I'll tell you why. Because in the world right now, there are more millionaires than there's ever been in the history of the world ever. There's lots and lots of people. I know lots and lots of millionaires, and their attitude to life is they're always looking. Can everyone smash the like button, please? Let's get to 20 likes. They're always looking for another great adventure. Every millionaire's done everything. They've been on every cruise ship. They've been on every holiday. They've been everywhere. They want something new. This markets are looking great, by the way. Are you noticing everything pumping up? Look, including Virgin Galactic. And they're looking for the latest, greatest thing. Now there are now the opportunity to fly into space. What a cool day out that would be if you're a millionaire, right? But how do you do it? Who's going to supply that thrill ride? Well, you've got Blue Origin wants millions of dollars to go, and they tested it on Tom Hanks, and he said, "No, I'm not paying millions of dollars for that ride. That's not going to work." Then you had SpaceX, millions of dollars. SpaceX is not about space tourism. Elon Musk has said it multiple times. SpaceX is about space exploration and delivering goods into space, not tourism. So, Ethereum pumping. Look at that. And so is Bitcoin pumping. Look at that. Very, very nice. Look at that. Very, very nice indeed. So that leaves Virgin Galactic. So what do? You go to the spaceport in New Mexico. It's 5-star, champagne all the way, caters to the millionaires. You pay $450,000, which a millionaire can afford for a thrill ride like that, the lifetime experience. And you go up in a 5-star like Concorde type plane, and then you go on a rocket and you go into space. You float. You see the inky black of space. You look back at the Earth. It changes your life. It's amazing. You land beautifully on a plane, perfect on a rocket. Land perfectly. You don't plump in the desert on a parachute. You get out. You get your limousine into the lounge and have a champagne and celebrate. Fantastic, right? The company have done it. They've achieved it. They've tested it. And when they did it, every time they did it, test flight, stocks went crazy. But it's not making money right now because it costs billions of dollars to do all this, right? But it's sold over 100 tickets at $500,000 a pop already for next year. The flights are already booked. And if you understand the stock market, it's got nothing to do with product, quality, what the industry does. It's about confidence. And if a company isn't making any money, if it's not doing anything for a while, and everyone knows it's not doing anything for a while, they sell out and put their money somewhere else. Because Virgin Galactic isn't making any money, right? It's not making any money. It's just sitting there. It's collapsed because everyone sold out. And stocks collapse when everyone sells out. That's what happens, right? It's just sitting there. Because everybody's moved their money into other things like Tesla or Rivian or Bitcoin or whatever it might be. And that makes sense because you're growing your money. Virgin Galactic isn't growing, right? So you sell out. So the stocks crash. Well, as soon as they say we've got a flight next week and someone goes up into space and it's really, really cool and it makes the news and everyone loves it, and the person comes down and goes, great, I want to go again. And then the next person goes, and the next person goes. And now Virgin Galactic start making money. Stock price is going to rocket overnight. But by then it's too late. By then you'll be buying in at 30, 40, 50, too late. Now, of course, the stock's then going to go to $100,000. Of course it is. Now, also, what about the pedigree of the company? Richard Branson. I know Sir Richard Branson. Richard Branson has many, many Virgin companies, all very successful, some of the best airlines in the world. He's got experience. This isn't some guy who doesn't know what he's doing. This guy knows exactly what he's doing. Knows exactly how to grow a business. So, I don't know what else to say about it. So right now, you can buy shares in Virgin Galactic at $15. I bought in, first of all, at $35. I've lost $4,000 on this because I bought it when it started to do test flight. I bought it round here. I bought it here. And it went up, and I thought it was going to keep on going. And the only reason why it dropped down was because they needed more money to invest on the new rocket, so they diluted the stock. They raised capital. So the stocks went down. Then Richard Branson sold out because he made profit. And then we had the delay until next year. Oh, down again. So I've lost $4,000 in this. But what have I done? I've bought more and more and more and more stock. I started with like 10 shares of Virgin. I now have 544. So when this goes to 180, when this goes to $100,000, which it will. That's nearly like, what, 8 times that. Is it 8 times that? 8 times that? That's what I'll make. Something like, what, I don't know, $6,500, $70,000, whatever it is. There you go. That's what I believe. But, you know, that's what I think. Right, we've got 4.5 minutes to go. We've got 20 watching now. This is fantastic. Got a great number today. Smash the like button, guys. Click subscribe and ring the bell. And I really appreciate you very, very much indeed. I've got a very heartfelt, emotional video coming out this afternoon about what it is to be an online creator and the stresses I face and the sadness I face and the attacks I'm under. Coming out this afternoon. I hope you'll all watch it. I don't want to bring it into the show today. All right. Okay. I just thought I'd let you know about it. Some real truths that go on behind the scenes. My average price on Space is $14.63. I have 37 shares. Okay, enough, mate. Some of my capital will be put into Virgin Galactic this week. Well, don't follow me. I'm not a financial advisor, right? It's a very speculative stock, you know. If everything I say goes to mush, you know, you don't blame me. This is just what I believe. Afternoon, Martin. Just popping on quickly before today's gig. Damien, you missed it yesterday because you logged off before I had chance to say. I would like you to film something, share with me, and I'll play a little clip in the show. And then if you've got your YouTube channel, of course, everybody, and then put that video on your YouTube channel, and I bet it'd be amazing to watch you with your bubbles. I'd love to see that, and I wouldn't be surprised. If it does very well. It'd be very entertaining, and we'd love to share it and so on. Anyway, we got 2.5 minutes to go. He says, Bartos says, I won't blame you, mate. My missus will. I have full disclosure. I keep saying it over and over again. I'm not a financial advisor. In fact, I'm the world piano man. That's what I know about. But this is my portfolio. I've grown it from $5,500 now all the way to 58, now back at 51.5, live on the show without putting any money in it. It's real, genuine. This is my path. This is my journey. Think of it as a Truman Show. I'm Jim Carrey. This is my life. You're observing it. You decide, you judge however you wish to judge me. And that's fine. Moozanella's here, Slicky's here. Great. We've got a great number of people now. 23 coming in. This is great. We've got one more to go. There we go. Good stuff. Good luck with your YouTube channel, and we're happy to promote you. No hard feelings, obviously. See you soon. All must go. Okay, Bartos, thank you ever so much for being here. And Bartos has a couple of questions in the Discord group. I haven't got an answer. If anybody else does, please share that. Right. Can we get one more like, and then we can bring the family in? One more like, please, and then we can bring the family in. All right? All right, let's have a look. Robinhood this morning is up 1.41. It's going to be a good morning this morning. I've got a good feeling. Got a good feeling this morning. We've got 55 seconds to go. Let's very, very quickly share with you some of the latest fan pictures. We've got Dave Mottram, just sent it in to me. Look at him with his mug. We've got Robert Durant there. We've got Muzanella and Dr. Smith. Martin Redding and Bill ordered some merchandise last night. Very excited to see that. That's coming in shortly. Martin Redding has ordered the very exclusive limited edition black mug. I think it's about $1 more for some reason. It's slightly, that's not my choice. That's the shop makes the black one more expensive. I don't know why. By $1, but very exclusive black mug. That's for the serious traders. Right, we got 15 seconds to go. Here we go. Are you ready? Let's get the bell ready. Let's see what happens here this morning. Very excited this morning. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the bell has gone. And Martin Redding, we're just talking about Martin Redding. You've ordered one of the exclusive GGPI, just dropping back now. SPCE is firing. Where's it going to go today? We've not got any good news yet, but I think people are listening to me and starting to realise that this is extremely undervalued stock. Let's see what happens. There could be profit taken because people made a lot of losses and they want to get some money back. But Rivian is now up 0.29. SPCE just dropped back slightly, but let's see what happens. I don't think it's going to keep going down at all. I believe it's going to keep rising. Gauls Guggenheim is down 1%. There we go. Lucid is down 3.8. Big drop this morning in Lucid. Robinhood dropping down now. Going down 1.28. We was hoping for 23.95 yesterday. Will that happen today? Remember, this first few minutes of the day is irrelevant. Oh, we got the family all in. I didn't notice that, so let's bring very quickly the family in. There we go. The family's in. Thank you very much indeed. Cool stuff. There we go. All right, now PayPal dropping back. Everything's just dropping back. I'm not concerned, though. Not concerned at all. I think this will all pick up again in a minute. Let's go to the live position overall. Yep, there you go. There are the sell-offs this morning from yesterday's profits. Tesla's dropping down, Rivian dropping down. Right, this is an opportunity now if you've made some money to buy the dips this morning and then re-enter again. Rivian is threatening to push up. I'm up 14% now on Rivian, so I'm okay with that. There it goes. SPCE, what's it doing? Lucid is dropping back now. Hood is dropping back. A lot of sell-offs right now. Palatine is down nearly 5%, just recovered slightly. PayPal is down now 0.46. Immersion is down 0.52. Harpoon Therapeutics is down again. Everything's down. Bit of a sell-off. Don't worry about it. Everything is dropping right now. Typical first thing in the morning. A lot of volatility. Ethereum is now lifting off today. Very, very nice. Up 2.5% today. Bitcoin again up nearly 2%, over 2% now. PFE up. Pfizer is up 2%. That's coming in from Martin Redding. Look at GGPI. We looked at that, Bill. Thank you very much indeed for sharing that on with the screen. Alicia and Patricia. Alicia is here. Wonderful. Good morning to you and everyone. Thank you very much. Let's see what's happening on the charts. Let's go over to Tesla's chart and let's see how it's behaving. We've got some buying coming in now, some reasonable buying coming into Tesla. Let me share the video with you. There we go. There's the chart. But yeah, a lot of drops right now, down nearly 1%. Let's keep our eye on everything. Let's see where the action is. Opportunity to buy in if you want to re-enter these markets. Excuse me. Rivian is now dropping down, just recovered a little bit. Let's see. Virgin Galactic down 1.25. Gauls Guggenheim now returning. There we go. Lucid. I'm sure these things will pop back up again in a minute. This is an opportunity for a quick day trade. If you're looking to day trade, I'm not currently day trading at the moment because I've got no real money on hand. I've got some buying power, $118, but I'm trying to build up some buying power for bigger dips. That's not a big enough dip for me to jump in at all. Virgin Galactic down 1%. No, not at all. If it goes down lower, I'll make. If anything drops sort of 3 or 4, 5%, then I'll jump in. Lucid Group down 4%. I could buy a couple of shares of Lucid and catch that. Let's have a look. 119. Yeah, I'll buy 2 shares of Lucid, I think. Let me have a look. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna do some day trading here. So let's go to the shares and let's go to buy and let's buy 2 shares. Let's do a little day trade here. Review order. Okay, so we're gonna wait for that. Let's see how low we can get that. 4.6, 4.4. It's normally in the first few minutes. Right, it's got some resistance now. Done. I just bought 2. Okay. Okay. There we go. I'll sell those 2 shares now and I'll make some money. Let's hopefully anyway. Let's have a look. So my buying power has now gone down to 34. So if we go back to Lucid now and let's have a look at Lucid. I bought these in at 42.17. 42.17. It's continued to drop. Never mind. And watch that. I want to sell 2 shares in a minute and make myself some money. Just as a quick day trade. That's what I'm looking to do. There we go. Come on, pop back up again, and I'll sell those 2 shares. I'll just make myself $20, something like that, just so I get something. Robinhood is down 3%. Yeah, the biggest drop was Lucid, so I'll pop back in that one in a minute. Robinhood is now down 3%. We don't want to see that, of course, from Muzanella. Palatine is now down 6%, 7%. PayPal is up. Immersion is down 1 point. Yeah, not enough really for me to jump in there. Harpoon, I'm keeping my eye on Lucid. I want to make a quick day trade there this morning. GGPI is now popping back up. SPCE is now returning. There we go. Rivian. Yeah, that's not enough for me to make a day trade at the moment. I'm not. Yeah, that's stable as well. Lucid. Right, so what we're looking to do. There we go. As soon as it gets to, I bought it at 42.17. All right, 42. If we look at the chart and see it's what it does here, it can go. It can do reasonable swings in a day. So what we're looking to see it do, and if it doesn't do it, it doesn't matter. I don't mind. I don't mind having more Lucid. That's the point. That's the point. When stocks drop like this, I will make some money. I'm fine with that. I'll buy in because I want to be in this stock. I don't mind. I don't mind at all if I've just got 2 more Lucid. I don't care. It's fine. But I'm not looking to hold those 2 shares. I'm looking to sell those 2 shares. So, see, we've had a bit of a down week on Lucid right now. So I'm okay with that. I mean, we were up here, up at the 50s. So I'm perfectly fine with buying a couple of shares there using my buying power. And if we can pop this back. As you can see, we do get pops throughout the day. I could easily make some profit. And it won't be very much. I only bought 2 shares. It might only be $20, but I've now got $20 more than I had before, and that's absolutely fine. So let's see if I can sell those 2 shares. There we go. We're still dropping this morning. Not very good. Down 1%. Today, yeah, down 1.5% now. Things are falling all over the board. Where are you going to go? Tesla's only down 1%. I'm not going to do anything there. Rivian is now down 1.8. I'm not going to touch that. I'm still 12% up. Fine with that. SPCE down approaching 2%. In fact, 2% now. There we go. 1.98. Not quite 2%. If you've just joined us, smash the like button and subscribe and ring the bell. Set notifications to all. And this will all start to calm down in a minute. Of course, tomorrow we've got the new it's called new NU IPO. And we're thinking of being here all day and doing a live show covering the new. I haven't decided yet whether I am fully invested into it. I will do some research this afternoon. But anyway, let's have a look at Lucid. As Lucid, nothing. If you see correlation between everything, right now everyone's selling off. Right, nothing's recovering right now across the sector. If you look across, we get a little indication that we're going to get a bounce and then it stops. And then goes again a bit more. So we're having this sell-off at the moment. People took profits. That's understandable. Everything was down. We had a pop. Those big day traders now are making a lot of trades, and we're dropping everywhere. Already done, says Patty. Thank you very much. She's referring probably to the like button. All right. Yeah. Everything's moving down. Let's see right now. But Apple's having a good day. I love that. Apple's doing really great now, you know. There's a lot of strength now coming into Apple. I'm making money now with Apple, and I never Plus I got my dividends as well, which is really, really good. Johnson & Johnson last night paid me a good dividend. Johnson & Johnson, a high dividend stock, doesn't make much money growth-wise, but pays a good dividend. It's a way to keep your stocks without selling anything and make free money. That's the way I see it. Really, really good. Sono is up 1.3%. I'm still down 12. Let's keep an eye on Lucid. We've not yet started to recover, so I've not. It kept on going. I like to be out in the first 10 minutes because I know it would have been better to gone lower and lower and lower, but after 5%, 6%, you start to get to the point, then it starts to bounce back. But of course, there's no guarantee to that. But I'm okay making a couple of bucks. I'm okay just increasing my buying power by a couple of bucks, and that's what I'll do. I'll be perfectly happy to get a couple of dollars on this in a minute. It may not happen. If it doesn't happen, then I've got 2 more shares of Lucid, and I don't mind that. But I would like that. I want to keep increasing my buying power. So the buying power now is just for is to day trade and build up to like $5, maybe even $10,000 in the buying power. That's kind of what I'm looking to do. So overall, look, now we're starting to come up. See, we've had this big dip. Now we're starting to come up. As you can see, starting to come up quite quickly now. So let's see where it's. There we go. Tesla's now starting to rebound, which means Lucid will probably do the same thing. There we go. Lucid's doing the same thing, right? So that may let me out. I bought in at where did I just buy in? I bought in at 42.17. So I'm looking to get to 43 at least. 43 at least would make me a couple of bucks. 43 at least. Good day, my family members. Much love from Nigeria. Well done. Welcome, Hugo. Thanks for addressing us a family, because we are. We're here to support everyone every day. I go live every day here, helping people, supporting people, promoting YouTube channels, giving free money away, giving Bitcoin away, supporting, being there for you. Yep, absolutely. Right, here we go. If we get to 43, I'll make a couple of bucks, and then we'll see if we can get some growth past that point, and that's fine. A couple of bucks is a couple of bucks in my book. There we go. Right, now we're seeing the recovery come. So Tesla's now rebounding. Rivian is now starting to rebound. SPCE, just like I said, there we go. Took profits. Now we're going up again. It's so clear. It happens all the time. If you're over there on TikTok, you can come and join us here on YouTube. 90% of my TikTokers are scrolling through looking for naked ladies. If you are 10% of my audience that actually want to know who I'm talking to, what's going on, exclusively on YouTube, and right behind this icon here is my profile, and then there's my YouTube link. I'm talking to my traders in YouTube, and I'm sharing my trading screens and my real money. And because I get referrals from brokerages, what I do is I share that money with you guys. I like to share my income is making money from is having you watching my show. I love people watching my YouTube show, so I give back. So if you want to have some free Bitcoin, some free money, and you want to be part of a family of traders that will help you, support you, give their honest opinions without trying to influence anything, come and join us on YouTube. Click the icon here, click the YouTube link, and come into YouTube. That's what everyone does every day. And here we give you all sorts of free money. I mean, I have loads of referral programs where I get money from those companies and I give it back to you. So if you want that free money, come over from TikTok to YouTube. I can't share it on TikTok. There's no way of sharing a link. And also you can't see my trading screens, so it wouldn't even work anyway. Right, Lucid, there we go. Starting to pick up now. Anything past 43 will be a profit, and I will sell that. Those 2 shares, and I will make some money. That's all I'm looking to do. Simple, little steps, all the time. That's what it's all about. Right, but let's have a look now. Morning traders. Sean Girk has arrived. Martin Redding is here. Top tips here for Martin Redding. A lot of respect for Martin. He knows what he's doing. He makes a lot of money. He's got a large portfolio. YEP, VIXY, and SQQQ bouncing, but down for the day. I'll be watching to start to buy back in slowly. There we go. Martin has SQQQ and VIXY. When the market's down, these ones go up. So he has an insurance policy. It's a very good strategy, absolutely fantastic. You should check it out. Again, it's not financial advice, but it's what Martin does, and it works very, very well for him. I look at my YouTube every minute to see if you are online, sir. Well, thank you very much indeed. If you've rung the bell, and let me show you very quickly how to do that. This is how to do it the best way, so you'll be notified instantly when I go live. Let me show you right now. Okay, so you subscribe to the channel. Make sure when you subscribe, you get that little bell. Turn that bell and set it to all. That way you get the notifications when I go live and you won't miss anything. And we have all sorts of Christmas treats coming out over December as well. So I've turned it off again. I'll do it again. There you go. Click all. If that bell is not showing, you need to go into your notifications on your phone or whatever and turn notifications on. That way you'll be notified. Now this afternoon, I have got a very emotional video that I'm putting out about the stresses, the upsets, the frustration with being an online creator. I didn't want to share it in this show, but I wanted to put the video out later. So if you want to check that out, then later on this afternoon, a couple of hours after we finish here, you'll see it. Virgin Galactic, just like I predicted, up now nearly 2%. There we go. People took profits, and it's firing back up again, just like I predicted. Right, Lucid. I'm waiting for it to get to 43, and I'll have a quick trade of 2 shares. Robinhood is starting to pick up. We hope it keeps on going for Muzanella. Palatine is dropping now 6.5%. PayPal doing very well, up 1%. Let's go over to our crypto right now. Let's have a look. Ethereum. Is up 2.62 on the hour. Today it is up 2.27. Big pump today on Ethereum. Bitcoin is up 2.7. Bitcoin doing very, very well. That's on the live. What about the day? There we go. On the day it's just up 0.5%, but a huge pump in the last few minutes. Up nearly 3% now. We got 51,000. There we go. I did say, in my opinion, it will hit a parabolic curve and go all the way to 100,000. I believe that. I do. I do believe that. I do believe by the end of December that's what it will do. So that's my belief. Right now we are very, very close now to breaking even today. We're moving up now. We had the sell-offs. Tesla's recovering, just dropped back slightly. Rivian trying to get off the ground. That's fine. Sell-offs, it's fine. Virgin Galactic up nearly 2%. 1.98. A lot of money to be made here this morning because you're up 2 now and you were down to there's a 4% swing there. 4% profits were realized there, and that's fantastic. GGPI just down slightly. Lucid, we haven't got our money out of it yet. Ugo says, thank you for the information. Right. Peter Brazier, $100,000 Bitcoin by 2022. No question about it. In my book, it could even do it, Peter, by the end of this year. I believe that wholeheartedly. It's why I haven't sold my Bitcoin. I believe that. I don't listen to what people say who are trying to influence the stock at all. Some big buying coming in now to Tesla. Look, there we go. Big candle there. You can see on the chart there, that's Tesla's chart right now. Big buying coming in. Wonderful stuff. We just did a quick trade here with Lucid. Remember, you have your core amount of assets in a stock, right? What you believe in, a certain size of portfolio, you know, what you believe in, which is for long-term swing trading and so on and so forth, investing. And then you add to your positions every day just as a way to make money. Because remember, I've grown this portfolio without adding money, right? This portfolio has grown from $5,500 to 58, back at now at 51 from itself. I don't add money to do it. So to do that, I have to make profits along the way. I have to be able to trade along the way. So I don't just buy, join the fan club and come back in 20 years. So the idea is I bought some some Lucid. I believe in it. I've got a lot of money in it. I've got 11.5% of my portfolio in it. But what I did today, I had $100 in my portfolio, in my buying power. I saw a dip. I saw the biggest dip with Lucid across all my stocks, and thought, okay, 4-5%. That's quite a drop for Lucid. So I will buy. I didn't quite buy at the bottom, unfortunately, but I bought a reasonable. I bought a reasonable dip with every intention of selling those 2 shares just to make myself some money, so I can do it again and keep doing that and keep doing that and keep doing that. And I end up with getting more and more money without actually having to sell any of my stock. I get more and more stock because I get more and more money, and that's how I do it without putting any money in. So what I'm looking to do now is, if Lucid bounces back to 43, I'll make a couple of bucks. It's not a lot, but it's a couple of bucks real profit, which I can have for the next dip. And then I'll make $2, $4, $8, $10. And if it goes to 44, 45, even better. But anything above 43, only 2 shares, I will sell those 2 shares. Not because I don't believe in Lucid. I have 140 shares of Lucid. It's a big part of my portfolio. I just want to make some profit so I can then buy something else and do it again. That's the combination of day trading and swing trading and long-term investing. The whole combination is what makes my portfolio grow. What do you think of the metaverse and NFTs? Peter, I've actually set up an NFT shop. I'm still building it. I'm going to have NFTs myself, and I set up an OpenSea account last night. I'm looking at others because the gas fees were very expensive. A couple $100 was a one-time fee with the Ethereum network. Excuse me. So I'm looking into the Polygon network, but I'm going to set NFTs, trade them on the show, and with my exclusive like music and images and stuff like that. And you guys can buy and trade them, and we can have a lot of fun doing that. So I do believe in that. The metaverse, I don't understand it. It's not something I understand right now, but I will look into it. Mint your NFTs on Algorand. Okay, let me take note of that, because I'm looking at which is the best ways of doing it. So far, I've got the Polygon network mintable that was given to me, and Algorand. Let me have a look at that. Algorand. I'll try that one as well, because OpenSea looked really good, like the biggest one ever. But does it really matter? Because I'm only looking to promote my NFTs here on the show. Okay, I'm going to let you know I've got an NFT, and I thought we could have fun trading our own NFTs here on the show. So you know, that's what I'm looking to do. But thanks for that. What network is that with? That's a very good fee. What is that? I mean, because the OpenSea was 2.5% per sale, but it was a one-time fee of $200. I don't mind paying that. I don't mind paying $200 to set it up, but I'm just scratching the surface of it at the moment. I've got lots of digital content that I can create NFTs from. So I just need to find out the best way of doing it, and then I'll be all in, and then I'll share the shop with you, and we can trade and have some fun with that. But anyway, let's have a look at what we're doing right now. SPCE, there we go at 1.15. Good. Rivian starting to bounce back a bit. Tesla's pushing up. Very, very nice. Hood starting to recover. Good. For Muzanella, we like that. If you've just joined us, smash the like button, please, and subscribe and ring the bell. Set notifications to all, so when I bring you breaking news throughout the day. And you might if you want a true insight to what it's like to be me doing my shows and how it feels sometimes and the attacks I get under, please do tune in this afternoon to a video. And if you want to know when that goes live, you need to ring the bell. It's a video coming out this afternoon after I finish here, a couple of hours after I finish here. So you need to be notified if you want to be part of that when it comes out. Boeing is up 1.54. Okay, EVGO. Now remember, guys, in 4.5 minutes, I want you to post at 9 o'clock Central Time. In 4.5 minutes on the hour, I want you to post your positions. Go to your main portfolio and share with me your position. In other words, what are you up today, or are you down today? I am on the day right now. I'm down 0.62. That'll be my score. I'll post that. And get ready, because then we're going to set the clock, and we've got some very cool music. Bill, I found some cool music for the 1 minute countdown, and we have a competition every day to find out who is the star trader. Shout out Ethan. Is that Corn Mac Connell? I think that is. Come and join us here on YouTube. You're missing the whole show. You're not seeing the trade. You're not seeing my free Bitcoin giveaways. I've got all of that here on the show. Right, so all of you now on YouTube, are you ready? Here is the all links button. From here, you can follow the podcast. You can get the free Bitcoin. You can get the free $10. You can get you can be part of the Discord group. It's all under this one link. It's called All Links, martynlucas.com/links. Exclusively only here on YouTube. Everybody else is not getting those links. Only you get them here on YouTube. Dr. Smith, good morning to you. Why you don't stake your cryptos and earn yields while you hold it? How do you do that? At the moment, my Bitcoin is on Robinhood, and there's no way to do that. They're bringing out the wallets because I buy my Bitcoin on Robinhood because it's by far the cheapest way of buying Bitcoin. By a long way. But the wallets are about to come out. They've been saying now for a couple of weeks. I'm one of the first to get the wallet, as I'm at the very top of the list, but I haven't yet got it. But Virgin Galactic doing very well today at 0.14. Lucid, as soon as it gets to 43, I'll be looking to sell those 2 shares. Just a couple of bucks profit. That's absolutely fine. That's what I'm going to do. And I expect to see it. If it doesn't, I don't mind owning a couple more shares of it. Not a problem at all. But I can't day trade until I've done that. All right. Let me have a look. Metaverse plays Facebook. Here we go. Here's Martin Redding's opinion. Metaverse plays Facebook. Nvidia, RBLX, which have some in all for a long-term investment. Long-term investment, of course, because it's the metaverse is a long way off. Right now, I don't understand it. And remember, it's not about missing out. Don't ever be concerned with FOMO. Only invest what you understand and what you believe in. That way you can be calm and relaxed and stress-free and all those things. And that's the way to do it, you know. Know what you're investing in and play your own game with yourself. Right, here we go. I'm just looking to make a couple of bucks profit. It literally is a couple of bucks, but that's fine. That's $2. I'll take $2 anytime. 43 and upwards. If I hit 43, I'll make $2. 44, I'll make $4. You know, that's fine. And that's all I want to do. Sell 2 shares of Lucid, because that's where I saw the biggest swing coming from this morning. SPCE also, I could have done it there as well. I could have done it that way around as well. I could have done it that way. Remember, some people say it's better to buy lower cost, lower value stocks. No, it doesn't. I can't believe people still say that. It makes no difference whether you buy 100 $1 stocks or one $100 stock. Absolutely irrelevant. It's about the percentage of the gains or the losses. If you've got a $100 stock and it goes up 1%, you make $1. If you've got 100 $1 stocks and it goes up 1%, you make $1. It's exactly the same. So don't buy cheap stocks because you think you make more money. They're cheap stocks, if you want to use the word cheap, because the stock is valued at a lower price. Remember, when I invest, it's not about investing in the price, it's investing in the value. Investing in the value of a stock, where the company's going, what it stands for, what it does, what I believe in, and so on and so forth. The price is irrelevant. Now, some of you will say, well, that's all right, but how do I buy a share of Amazon? How do I buy it? There we go. Look, Lucid doing exactly what I wanted it to do. How do I buy a share of Tesla? It's $1,000. Well, if you're certain brokerages, like Robinhood, eToro, several others, allow you to fractional share. With Robinhood, you can buy any amount. You can buy $1. With eToro, and I think WEBULL, I know eToro certainly, it will do like $50 minimum or something like that. There are some restrictions. With Robinhood, you can buy as little as you want. So if you got $10 and you want to buy some Tesla, that's how you do it. Good morning, Robert Durant. Robert Durant is here. Smash the like button. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm very close now to making some money with Lucid. Great. Anything above 43, I'll make some money. Even now, I'm probably in the money. Yeah, let's have a look. 42.17. There you go. I've made a profit already. I've made money. I'm making money right now, and I'm going to sell it in a minute. Just those two shares. Right. So here we go. Let me bring this in. Here's the fans gallery and our new mug holders. Yes, we've got Robert Durant. Sorry, that's Dave Mottram. Dave Mottram. We got Robert Durant. He's just joined us live on the show, and there he is. We've got a new one with Dave Mottram sent me last night, and the Queen of Self-Braiding. I didn't get a chance to put your image into the show. The Queen of Self-Braiding has a new picture as well, so I'll be sharing that this afternoon. I didn't get a chance to put it into the show. Queen of Self-Braiding, I'll be sharing that later with everybody. Cool picture, a cool black and white one. And thanks to Martin Redding, who's just ordered one of my exclusive limited edition black mugs. He's paid like $1 more. It's $1 more expensive because apparently the black ones are more expensive to produce. I don't know. But anyway, he's ordered one of those limited edition black mugs. And our friend, was it Robert? You asked me to produce was it Robert? I think it was. Would I produce a face mask? Well, I did it for you. Do you want to see? Shall I share with you? There it is. I produced a face mask. How cool is that? You asked for it. I think it was you who asked for that. So there you go. We've now got that in the Day Trader shop. All right. There you go. Fantastic. I hope you like that. There you go. And just so you know as well, you can have it in any colour you like. Look at that. You can have it in grey. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, seriously, are we the pink for a girl, if you like? I don't know. Green, red, blue. I mean, you name it. You can have what you like. We are the most sophisticated channel in the world. Black. You can be very cool if you want black. Look at the exclusive ones. There you go. I like the sports bag though. Yeah, the sports bag is. I thought that I'm buying it myself. I've got to order my own stuff just like you guys. Where's the sports bag? Yeah, the sports bag is very, very cool. I'm going to get one of those for my when I go out doing sports and stuff. Where is it? Where's the sport? Here it is. Backpack. This is brilliant. Look at this. How cool is that? I mean, seriously. Lucid's nearly where I want it to be. Yeah, I mean, what colour would you get? I mean, look, you can get any colour you want. I personally think the black one is, or even the white one. The white one's cool as well. I mean, look at this. Look at that. You got the England flag, the American flag. I mean, it's pretty smart, right? Look at that. Sweet. Anyway, there you go. Very, very cool. You asked for a face mask? I made you a face mask. All right. Okay. So, everybody, go now to your day trade position. We've got some new funky music. We've got a new countdown clock. You're going to like this. Get ready now. So we're going to have a competition Who is up or down? Who wins this morning as the day trader of the morning? So get your scores. I am currently down 0.93. So I'm going to put this in and I'm going to start the clock. You've got 1 minute. That's it. After that, you are out. All right. So get ready. Minus 90. Don't post until you see the clock. You ready? Minus 93%. I'm down 0.93%. You ready? Okay. Get ready for the timer. I'm going to give you 1 minute. 1 minute now to post your scores. I am down 0.93. Are you ready? Let's see who wins the competition. You're going to like this. We got some cool music. We got countdown. We're ready? You're going to like this. You ready? Here we go. All right. 1 minute from now. Get your scores on the doors. Get your scores on the doors. Who's going to win the Day Trader Show? Get your score on the door. Down or up? Share your score. Tell the truth, because we'll all know here on the Day Trader family. Oh my God. Oh dear, oh dear. What do you all think of this, guys? Did this add some excitement to the show or what? 3, 2, 1. There you go. Do you like that? Do you like that? Was that good? What do you think of that, guys? What do you think of that? I'm feeling the music. That was pretty cool, right? So let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's get all this. Let's see what happened during that then. So I'm everyone did it brilliant. That was great. That was great. I'm down 2.1, down 2.7. Okay. So down 2.66. I'm only down 0.5% now, so I'm winning so far. Crypto Cam goes into the lead with 0.3. Slicky is down 1.39. Sean is down 2.7. So crypto is up so far. Crypto Cam. Dr. Nathan Smith goes into the lead with 0.43. Martin Redding is down 0.49. Robert Durant, are you down or up 0.55? Are you down or up 0.55? Because that makes a difference. Because if you're down, Dr. Nathan Smith wins. If you're up 0.55, you win. So, Robert Durant, you've confused me. You've got to put up or down. Up. Robert Durant is the winner. Robert Durant is the winner. Let's see a big congratulations. Thank you very much for sharing your trades. Oh, we love it. Give him a big thumbs up. There you go. And the sound effect of the day is going to be... Fantastic. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Congratulations to you. That's really, really great. And I've just thought of another cool thing to do. Congratulations. I need something to do. Congratulations. That'll be fun. Right, the face mask. I take that off my list. I've done that. I've shown you the face mask. If ever anybody wants one, you can get that. I've got NFT Polygon to look at. That was from Dr. Nathan Smith. Algorand came in this morning. Look at that. And Mintable as well from Musanella. Last night I was out at a Lions Christmas party, the Lions Club Christmas party, so I was unable to do any of these any research last night. But anyway, Tesla's falling back down now. Now, if I can make money on Lucid, I'll buy some Tesla. All right, all I'm trying to do is get to 43. I'll make a couple of bucks, and then I'll buy some Tesla, and I'll do it again. Any amount of profit is good. Everyone's loving that. Cool. You like the music, right? That was fun, wasn't it? That was fun, right? That was fun. I love the way everybody got engaged really quickly because of it. It was great. Everybody jumped in really quick. I mean, that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. A drum roll. Yeah, drum roll. Yeah, a drum roll. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. The winner is, yeah, drum roll. Drum roll. Thank you for that idea from the Slicky. Right. That drum roll. Yeah, I like that. I like that idea. What else did you say? Congratulations. There we go. Crypto Cam. Loving it. Well done. Bill, too late. See, now we have rules. Oh, right. Here we go. Lucid. Here we go. Right. Sell my 2 shares. Keep on going. Push up, push up. And then what I'll do is I'll buy something else that's dipped. All right. So here we go. Looking to make... Oh, go on, just let me out. I mean, I'll only make like 80 cents if I sell at 42, 43. But I want to go to 43, really. And then I'll buy, I don't know what I'll do then. I'm not sure. I'll reassess that. Was getting Bentley ready. Yeah, I'm sorry, Bill. We got rules now. We got rules. We got the cool music. Right, I'm getting ready to sell here. Sell 2 shares of Lucid. And I'll literally make myself, right now, somewhere in the region of like about 50 cents. It doesn't matter. I want to get to 43. And then what I'll do, I'll buy another dip. And I'll do another dip. And I'll do that all day long. But I haven't made hardly anything. Right, go on. Go on. Let's go back onto the live position. Yeah, we're starting to improve now. We're seeing some Bitcoin movement as well, which is very, very nice. Well, there we go. Today we're up. Look at that. 1% today on Bitcoin. Nice. Very, very nice. And Ethereum up 2.66%. SEV is dropping. EVGO. A lot of these opportunities are presenting themselves. Apple is the stock of the year. I've got to say this. Apple is behaving now like a growth stock, not a dividend stock. So you get dividends for this stock and you get growth like this. We're getting it nearly every day. Look at this. Up nearly 10% in a week. Apple is doing really, really, really well. If you've got shares in Apple, you'll be happy. So let's go back to Lucid. Oh, there we go. It's close. Come on. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Get ready to sell. Get ready to sell. I think we're going to end up higher than that. All I want to do is sell 2 shares. You're probably thinking, why am I bothered? This is how I've grown my portfolio doing this. If you don't want to put money into a portfolio, but you want to make money growing it, this is how you do it. Do light face masks work? Come over to YouTube, guys. Over it on TikTok. I can't help you. I can't give you any of the links. I can't share screens with you. I can't give you free Bitcoin. I can't give you free money. And I do. Genuinely, my YouTube channel is here to help people. And you're missing it if you watch me on TikTok. All right? Click the icon, click the profile, and come and join me. If you're on Facebook, if you're on Twitch, if you're on Twitter, Facebook, I mean, wherever you're watching me, come into YouTube, right? Okay, let me have a look. Lucid now. Yep, here we go. There we go. There we go. Right. I'm in the money now. I'm going to sell 2 shares. What do I want to go out at? I'm going to sell it now. Review order. 43. Is it going to go any further? It's a reasonable bounce. Review the order. I'll wait a second. Got 2 shares to sell. I said I'd sell it at 43. Do I see any more movement? I don't know. Let's give it a second. It could fall back again from here. It could. And it is slightly. 43. Um, 43. Go on. Just go 43 something and I'll sell you. Sell 2 shares. There you go. Done. Okay, good. Nice. There's a day trade for you. Right, excellent. That'll do. I'm happy with that. It doesn't matter if it keeps on going and going and going, because at the end of the day, that's why I have 140 shares in it. Absolutely fine. So there we go. I'm up 21. I'm up there. So let's refresh that now. That'll go back down to 138 shares, which is fine. There we go, 138 shares. So go to my portfolio. I now have some more money. There we go. I now have 120 bucks. So at the end of the day, I just made myself a couple of bucks, right? And I've got money in there again. So now we'll do it again. So now we'll look at something else. Something else that's down a day. That's now Tesla's already recovering. Tesla's already recovering, so there's no point buying that now. I want to buy something that's on the way down. Now Rivian is on a low. Rivian, right? Let me have a look. Buy. I'll buy. Is that enough? Or SPC? Where are we down? No, SPC's made its gain for the day. Rivian, on the other hand, is looking pretty good. So buy. How much have I got now? I've got 120 bucks. So if I go to Rivian and I can buy. There we go. Nice. It's just dipped again. 100 is 120? 120 bucks? Yeah, 120 bucks. So I could buy another one. Rivian is now 113, down 2.5%. Do I think that Rivian's going to bounce back from there? Rivian. Do I think Rivian's going to bounce back from there? I'm undecided. Virgin Galactic, not now. No. Gauss Guggenheim, no. Lucid, I've just done that. See, I timed it perfectly, by the way. Robinhood, down 4% today. Yeah, let's switch that to Robinhood. Buy 120. So 3, 4, 5. Right, I just bought 5 Robinhood shares. All right, done. Okay, there we go. So let's go back to Rivian and release those. That one share, I don't want that. Okay, I don't think it's hit the bottom yet there. So go back over to Robinhood. Yeah, see, look, perfect. Rivian is just going down again. See, I was right. And I was spot on with Lucid. Lucid just topped out at 43, so I made my profit there. So now I'm over on Hood. And I've just bought Robinhood. I bought Robinhood. Now I'm making money straight away on this one. I just bought 5 shares at 22. There we go. So I'm going to sell 5 shares at 22 something. I don't care any amount. This is how to grow a portfolio from nothing, from $5,500 to 58 without putting any money in. Just by, and I don't mind not being able to sell these shares because I want Robinhood, right? I've lowered my average. I've achieved that much. I've made, I win whichever I do. I can't lose. Casino stocks popping. Casino stocks. What casino? What do you mean? What do you mean, Martin? Neo. I wouldn't touch Neo. Pederis. I'm not interested in Chinese stocks. I don't like manipulation and corruption and all that nonsense. So I'm not a Neo fan. Was hi from Nottingham, Jez West. Have we got a new member? We've got a new member, Jez West. Everybody, let's all welcome Jez West into the show. Give us a thumbs up, Jez. Subscribe and ring the bell if you're new here. We are a family here to help people, right? Support people. I've got loads of links where I give you free money that I make and I share with you. I get referral money from all kinds of people, but for me, my reward is doing this show and bringing everyone together. That's why I'm here. That's what I love to do. So I actually give you free money. I love the way it feels. I love the family we've got here today. We're a new channel. We're growing like 20 subscribers a day. And it's because we are here to support each other. And I give away what I get. So Jez, you're from Nottingham. Would everybody else put where their cities and countries where you're all from? And welcome in Jez West. We've got a new member here. Jez, how did you find about the show? And where did you come? Where did you hear about the show? How did you find us? So I'm looking to make some money now with Robinhood. I just bought in at 22. Right, I bought. There we go. I just bought 5 shares at 22. So I'm going to sell 5 shares. I'm going to sell 5 shares. And this is how I'm growing my cash to spend. All right. 5 shares at 22. So if I sell that now, I make 50 cents. All right. Well, let's sell it at 23. Can we get to 23 today? Yeah, we can get to 23. We can get to 23. We can get to 23. I'll sell at 23. I'll sell at 23, and that will make me. What will that make me? If I sell at 23, that'll make me $5. That's fine. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that $5 because that's now $7 up, right? And if you look at my portfolio on the app, I'm constantly going up. See that? Look, constantly growing, constantly making money. That's what it's all about. Right, so let's get that. Right. Space doing well. I said it would, guys. There we go. Said it would. Oh, look at Space. Oh, man. I've been telling everybody, and I hope you bought in at 14. I really, really hope you bought in at 14. Bill, how do you feel? How do you feel, Bill? You're making a lot of money now, right? This is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now, don't get carried away, guys. This is not the great news. This is nothing yet. This is nothing at all. This is just the beginning. We might get some sell-offs again. People are trying to recover their losses. So don't think it can drop again, because it can. But that's a daydream, a day trader's dream. Catch the profits all the time. This is, oh yeah, I bought in at 14.71. Wow. You're going to make an absolute fortune when this reaches $100. It's oversold. It's absolutely ridiculous. I'm so excited. I'm so excited because, you know, it's doing exactly what I said it would do. Like perfectly. Rivian did exactly what I said. It kept falling. Look, so I'm not waiting. I'm not jumping back in there. I said Hood would rise, and it's rising up. I said Lucid would top at 43. Look, at it did exactly that, and I sold it here. Perfect. You don't be greedy. Make a dollar, but you keep making dollars. When I was on the cruise ships, guys, I was making tips. People were giving me $1 tips. I made so much money, guys, from $1 tips. Way over $100,000 in tips on the cruise ships. Just by making $1. And everybody else was like, oh, I'm going to spend mine down the pub. I don't care. It's only $1. And they were always smoking it or drinking it or buying souvenirs and stuff like that. And I banked every single penny. Every single penny. Every dollar. And I made over 100. I paid my mortgage off with tips. Making dollar profits, guys, is how I've grown this portfolio from 5,000 to 58 and then back to 52, wherever it is now. That's how I do it. Dollar profit. Don't take care of the pennies. The pounds take care of themselves. Anyway. Right. I'm going to do it again now. So here we go. Everyone's trying to no one's interested unless they're making a fortune. Make lots of little pennies. No one even sees you doing it. No one even sees you collecting pennies off the ground. Then pennies turn into lots of money. Then reinvest those pennies, and then those pennies turn to dollars. I do it all the time. Right. I'm going to take a 30-second break because I need to go to the restroom. Talk amongst yourselves. If anyone comes in, please tell them that we're on like a minute break. I'll be right back. I'm looking to sell Robinhood 5 shares at $23. And as the buying power increases, more and more and more, I'll be able to buy more and more stock. All right? Once we get some big bounces, I'll sell some off the top, like the Tesla stuff, and then we'll have thousands to spend. But right now, we're in a big dip. So all we're doing now is I'm basically investing investing again my dividends I got last night from Johnson & Johnson. That's how I have $100 this morning. That's where it came from. I didn't put it in the bank. I didn't bring it from the bank. It came from Johnson & Johnson, Apple. I had a few dividends last few days. It wasn't Apple, it was something else. That's where I'm spending. So I'm only spending $100. I'm not using leverage, not bringing money in. I'm not greedy. If I make $1, I make $1. I'll see you back in 1 minute. Let's see if we can get Robinhood to 23. Don't go away. Hiya guys, we're back again now, ready to rock and roll again. And so we're just trying to get Robinhood up to, in fact, even now would make me $1.25 profit, and that's fine. Now remember, what I've done here is I've got my core fundamental stocks, that the percentage each one is a balanced portfolio. And I'm happy with that. I can sleep, I can go to bed, and my profits will always grow. I don't have to worry and stress and worry and stuff like that. But what I'm trying to do now is add with my trading money, with my profits that I take off the top, and I want them out again. This is not. I mean, if I can't get out today, and I'm stuck all day with this one thing, that's fine. And I don't overcomplicate it either, having several day trades going at once. I'm just oh, this is wonderful news. Look at that now. Look at that now. I'm up 0.12. So at the end of the day, I'm just trying to do one thing at a time. And right now, I'll make $1.25. It's not a lot, but that gives me another $1. Next time I can do it, I've got even more money, and it keeps growing and growing and growing. Now then. We've gone up here. If I look at the swing, down 1.5%, down 1%. We've gone up 0.5%. Do I think that's about it? No. I think 23 won't be too greedy. Let's have a look. We do get some swings, but not huge ones. 0.5%. It might not get. I might not get it that high actually. I might go before 23, and make $4. But I'm okay with that. I'm already looking now where I'm going to go next. Rivian is now. There we go. Rivian's now lifting up. I would have done better if I'd done Rivian. There we go. But I thought I knew Rivian was going to recover. But I sensed it could have gone a bit lower. I did a couple of little blips. But yeah, I would have done better with Rivian. But that doesn't matter. I've got 36 shares earning money with Rivian anyway. It doesn't. I win whichever way I go, right? So let's look at Hood again. And let's see if we can just get some money out of that. Right now, I'll have $1. Exactly $1 profit if I do it now. But $1 there and $1 earlier, it all adds up. Smash the like button if you've just joined me. Let's bring in some of your comments here. I brought in 1471. We're talking about SPCE, right? Yeah, you're doing very, very well now. Up 2.8 to date today. A profit of 249 today. That's very, very good. Who's driving at the moment? Jez West. From my workmate. From my workmate, Duchak. Oh, he's driving, is he? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Catch you all later. Busy day. I'm just out. I just wanted to say a big thank you to Martyn Redding for his tip on win. Up 4 point. Yes. We get some great tips here on the show. It's how we all make money from the wonderful, honest, genuine support we get. Thank you, Julius Caesar, for recognising Martyn Redding. A big thank you to Martyn Redding. Thank you, Martyn Redding. Top tip today. Thank you very much indeed for that. And Jez West is our new member. Now, Lucio is here as well. Lucio just come in. A lot of people coming out. I missed a few comments here. Thank you ever so much, everybody that acknowledged Jez West, our new member. Jez, if you'd like to be part of all the things that we offer, free stocks, free shares, the podcast, the Discord group, so many things that we give away. Here is the all links button. Click on that, scroll down the list, and click on what you like. I give away free stocks of Robinhood. I give away $10. All my referrals, the money I get from people, I share back with you. So I get money and I just give it back to you. So if you want free stock of Robinhood, you can. If you want $10 from eTORO, set up an account and fund it. They give me some money, so I give it to you. There you go. Coinbase, if you use my account, you'll get $10 worth of Bitcoin. All this is under the all links button, but here's the individual ones as well. Crypto, $25 if you set up one of their cards as well. There you go. And thank you ever so much, by the way, everybody who's now following my podcast. If you remember, I told you Hood's moving up. I'm not quite there yet where I want to be, but I told you all that I need 50 followers on my podcast to monetize the podcast. And I want to share with you how many I've actually got now. We're improving, 22, nearly halfway there. So thank you all of those of you that now follow the Day Trader podcast. I thank you very much indeed. It's on the all links button. But where is it? Amazon, Day Trader, Discord. Why have I got 2 Discords in there? I need to update that. Why can I not see the Discord group? The podcast group, sorry. Sorry, ignore me. I'm just talking nonsense here. I don't know where that is. Just updating something a second, guys. Hang on. Podcast. There we go. Let me go to the trading screen a minute and keep our eye on Hood. Oh, there we go. Yep, doing better. Close. Getting closer. I'm going to go to my all links button myself. And go to the all links button myself and grab my Martyn Redding. Thank you. Yeah. The Day Trader podcast. There we go. There we go. I'm going to put it in there. I don't know where that disappeared to. Right, I'll try again then. Here is the Day Trader podcast. I need to get the 50 followers on Anchor to monetize the channel. And people are listening to it. It's wonderful. People are searching for me all over the world on my podcast. It's really amazing. I'm really humbled by it. It's like, wow, all these people are actually listening. It's actually amazing. Anyway, we have some new cool items now in our shop as well. If you like this sports bag, look at this. Really cool sports bag. We have amazing sports bag, a day trader sports bag, absolutely cool. American and the UK coming together, look, with a day trader, absolutely awesome. So many cool things in the shop. Go and check it out. Look at all these things for Christmas. Leggings and all sorts, I mean, everything in every color conceivable. All right. Now back over to the trades here with Robinhood. Okay, here we go. Sell 5 shares. Now I bought it in at 22.5. All right, let's do some do some calculations. I know some of you are laughing, thinking, why is he bothered about 33 cents times 5? Because I am $1.65. It's just, in a market like this right now, it's just profit where you can take it. And as long as you're moving upwards, you can't go wrong. I have 3 gaming stocks for the reopening. Here we go. We got a big chat coming in from Martyn Redding. Top tip, listen to this guy. Here he goes. Martyn Redding says, I have 3 game... Who's the lady there with you, Martin? Who's the sexy picture with you? Look, what's going on here? I have 3 gaming stocks for the reopening of Winter Win, Boy Gaming. LVS, I stay away from on the online or sports betting. Is that your wife, daughter, sister? Who's that there then? You need a car deco in your shop like a mirror hanging. A car deco in your shop like a mirror hanging. Ah. I'll write that down then. She's a friend. Nice picture, mate. Car deck. There you go. Whoops. Car deck. I'll put that down as well. I just sold just before that drop came. I don't know if you saw that. I was on the wrong screen. You didn't see it. I apologise. I just sold those hood just before the dip came. I made myself $1. And it's not a lot. I understand that. But I think a 1% is about as much as I'm going to get right now. So I've just sold those 5 shares. That'll take me down to 120 again. So let's have a look at that now. It lower my averages. And also get me 120. That'll now show 150. Hang on. Still showing 120. Let me go back to the portfolio. There should be the money in there now. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, I had 125. There you go. I just sold those 5. Now, I only made $1, but I've now got 121 in my buying power. We started out this morning at, I don't know, what was it? I forget now. But anyway, yeah, see, look, hood just dropping back again. I could have made a bit more, but it's dropping back, so I'm okay with that. We're back at the office, so we'll see you sometime tomorrow. Okay, Jez, thank you ever so much for being here. We're back at the office now, so we'll see you sometime tomorrow. Thanks for being part of the show. Thank you very much indeed for following us and subscribing us. I hope you went to the all links button and joined us on the podcast. I need to get 50 followers to my podcast, and I hope you'll do that. I hope everyone will do it. I'm up to 22 now, so I'm nearly halfway there. I've got lots more subscribers. I could do it in a minute if everyone did it. But anyway, thanks for joining, Jez. Lovely to have you here. Right, Robinhood was a perfect trade. Perfect trade. It was only $1, but $1's $1. I don't care. Right. So let's have a look now. Let's see where we can find some other opportunities to invest my money here. Tesla is dropping down, but I could do that. Where's the biggest profit going to come from? Rivian has already done it. I can't do Rivian now. I've obviously got a lot of money in it anyway, but we're not on a dip right now, so Virgin Galactic is now up 3.5%. Absolutely great. So nothing there. Gores Guggenheim, that's down 2%. I could do that. It's not low enough. Lucid has continued to rise. Brilliant. Hood is dropping down again. I might do Hood again if it goes even lower. Palatine is down 6%. My average is 72. Okay. 50. Okay, Palatine. Okay, what's in my portfolio now? So in my portfolio now is $110. Right, $110. Let's go to Palatine again. 110. Let's look at it now and see. I could lower my average by quite a bit. Palatine, PayPal, no, that's rising now, so we'll leave that alone. Remember, buy when everyone's selling, sell when everyone's buying. Harpoon, no, I'm not going to touch that. On is down 3% today. A bit of a dip there with On, most certainly. And that is a very, very good stock. And I like that. On Semiconductor, it's up 10%. An opportunity here for On. Yes. Okay. What have I got to spend? I got $110. So let's go to On. Look at On. 2.6. 120. What did I say? 120. God, I got memory like a sieve, and I. 110. Sorry, 110. So let's go back to On, and average cost is 52. Right, I'm up. Okay, so let's buy one share of On. Okay, that's $63. Oh, it's dropping more. Do I think that's the best opportunity today? Apple. Oh, Apple's soaring. Apple is straight up. Evgo, Sev. Evgo, what is Evgo? 11.59, down 30. Right, okay, down. Evgo is down 30%. It's not showing any real growth yet since I got into that. So I'm not just going to buy it to lower my averages for no reason. On has got a great growth. It's down nearly 3%. It's the bottom of another dip again. Let's compare that to Tesla. No, that's not down enough. Rivian isn't down enough. It's just risen. Virgin Galactic, no. That's done its pump for the day. Lucid hasn't done its pump. Lucid's done its thing for the day. Hood. If Hood goes down again, I will do it again. It often does stuff in the after hours. And Palatine is down 6%. So it's between Palatine and On right now. On is still falling. I see an opportunity for On here. Catching a 3% drop there. Or Palatine. Down 5%. I got enough invested in that though. That's got to do some money by itself. I think On or Hood. Hood's not really, it's just trading sideways now, so there's not much volatility in that. But I think On might be worth a go. So I think I'm going to invest into On. If you're over there on TikTok, come into YouTube, you're missing the whole YouTube show. You can't see any of my trades. And if you come over to YouTube, you'll see everything that we're doing. So, and you talk to my team, and I have links where I give you free Bitcoin and free money as well. It's referral money I get. I give back to my loyal fans on YouTube. Right. On. Yeah. Review order. I'm going to buy a share of On. There we go. Done. Done. Okay. So now we're looking at On, and On is On is on. Yeah, look at this. This is a really strong growth line here, guys. Good company to be in. One share at 63.48. 63.48. Look. Exactly as I bought, it started to recover. Look. Straight line. There it goes. I'm making money straight away. God, I tell you what. I know I'm not a professional financial advisor, or I'm just some little guy on the YouTube, but I get these timings perfect. I'm just saying. You just got to feel it. Right, so here we go. This might drop a bit further, but I don't care. I'll make a profit on it anyway. So let's have a look. 63.48. Right, here we go. I'm going to 63.48. So I've only got one share of this. So whatever I'm in profit. I'm in the money already. 63.48. So I wanted to get to 64 at least. All right. 64 at least. So we'll leave that there for the minute. But I've still got $57. So if I go over to Hood right now, looking for a bigger dip, I'm not going to touch Palatine. I've got enough invested in it. Unless it really tanks. But then there'll be a reason why it's tanking, right? So you've got to consider that as well. Fantastic. If you've just joined us, smash the like button, come into the live chat and tell me where you're from, and we will introduce you to the team, and I'll give you some free links. I've got some free money here I want to give away today. I've got some money from Robinhood. In fact, I got a stock from Robinhood. I got $10 to give you in cash from eTORO. I've got $10 of Bitcoin to give you on COINBASE. I've got $25 in cash to give you on crypto.com. I got also, and I got some ways you can earn free money on COINBASE as well. Literally by just spending a couple of minutes, you can earn some free money, and I'm happy to share all of that with you over here on YouTube. Right, On. Looking to get 63.48. Not yet. I'm not out of it yet. SPCE doing very, very well today. What's our cryptocurrency doing right now? Ethereum is doing very well, up 1.83. Bitcoin is up 0.23 on the day. So we've had a big bounce an hour or so ago. Sev is doing all right. Evgo is still going down. Apple is having an almighty day. It's having an almighty week. It's having an almighty month. I'm glad I've got 9 shares of that now. I was out of Apple, but very, very pleased with it. Very, very pleased with it. Yeah. 8%. I only have 3% of Apple. Maybe I should have some more. But, yeah, it's just phenomenal growth now. It's behaving like a growth stock, and even though it's not. It's a dividend stock. Right, On. There we go. Perfect timing. 63.48. Okay. 63.48. I've only got one share. So if it goes to 63, if it goes to 64, I only make 50 cents, all right? I only bought one share of it, but that's fine. I'm only investing with my profits. I'm not investing with bringing money in. I'm making money from money. And that, to me, is what investing's about. Anyone can grow a portfolio by going to work, earning money and putting it in here. Well, that's not growing money. That's just buying into the fan club, isn't it? The idea is to make money from money. That's the way I try to do it anyway. Thank you very much. They are 0.5% now on the hour. We're seeing some good rises. For your information, gaming also has cruise ships for another opening play. Hang on. Sorry, what did you mean? For your information, Boyd Gaming also has cruise ships for another opening play. Just a tip. Oh, there you go. More information there, guys, for you. Check that out. I love divvy stocks. Yeah, absolutely. That's where my profits are coming from at the moment, and I'm reinvesting that. But I don't do automatic dividends reinvestment. That's just lazy. And you can set that up. You can just set it up. Every time you get a dividend, you reinvest it. But the trouble is then you just end up buying the stock at the wrong time. It's okay. If you don't do anything, it's better than nothing. But for me, I watch the stocks and buying at the right time and time it. That way, you make the best of it. If you just buy in all the time, dollar averaging, you could be buying at the wrong times. But it's like having a financial advisor, isn't it? Financial advisor that once a month checks your account. Well, that's all very well and good, but it's not the way to maximize your profits. So on 63.48, yeah, I've made 40 cents. I want to get to 64 really. Now it might not do it. It might not do it. We saw Hood this morning. It didn't pop up enough. And that's fine. Now if I'd have invested $10,000 on a trade, then I'd make hundreds on a few cents. But right now I'm doing it on small money because I'm not taking any money out of my shares. I'm not selling any of my stocks because they're all down at the moment. All I'm doing is using a very, very small amount of buying power, but the principle is exactly the same. If I was doing exactly the same thing with thousands of dollars, I'd be making hundreds of bucks right now rather than a few cents. It doesn't matter. The principle is the same, and all I can do right now is trade with a few dollars, and I'll trade with a few dollars, and I'll make it right. There we go. 64. Right, thank you very much. So, 63.48, there we go. Up to 64 now. If I can sell it, I mean, I'm up now. I could sell that one share right now if I wanted to. But I would rather actually make $1. I mean, I'd like to make $1 per trade. But the idea is keep doing this piece by piece. Then I'll have $1,000 to be able to day trade. Then I'll make $100 on a 10% flip. And then once we get a recovery back to my 58,000 in a week or so, then I'll take some money off Bitcoin. I'll take some money off Tesla. Then I'll have $5,000, $10,000 in my buying power. And then I'll really be able to day trade. Right now we're in a dip and I'm just making profits wherever I can. And that is all we need. And if you look at the app right now, you can see 51,727. Very, very good day. I'm happy with that. $154 up. Happy with that. So that's what we're looking to do. So 64. I've made coming up to $1 now. Let's see if it breaks through this resistance line here. It's not support yet. It could be resistance. It could hit that and drop back again. Let's have a little look. Let's see what we can do. As we get close to it, so where are we now? 63.48, 64.48. Okay, We're coming up to $1 now. We're coming up to $1 profit. Let's get ready to sell that one. Sell that one share. Sell one. Okay. 63, 64, 48. Coming up to $1. Let's take that one share out of there. I wonder if it will hit that and bounce back. I wonder if it will hit that and bounce back. I'm going to review the order because I'm sensing it's hitting it and dropping back. It might then do another little dip. And I'd rather make... Let me get it set to sell. 63, 64. So, you know... It's not a lot, but I wonder if it's going to hit that and bounce back. Yeah, see, it's resisting. It's resisting pushing through that point. So there it goes, you see. Sell that one. Done. There we go. It's dropping back again. It didn't want to push through that barrier. See that? It became resistance. Now it's going back down again. So that's fine. There we go. I did that. No, I didn't make very much, but I demonstrated the point. See, now it's hitting a barrier. It doesn't want to go past that today. So that's okay. So where are we now? We bought at 63.48 and we sold it. So what did we make there? We made 70 cents. Okay, whatever. All right. So now go back to the buying power again, and we are now up to 121.99. So piece by piece, dollar by dollar, until I can get back to proper trading. When I get I'm just practicing what I'm doing while I'm waiting for the big money to come back in again. I'm about to change that setting. Let's have a look. I never looked at that way. I actually did. Hang on. I never looked at that way. I actually did just use the drip feature and have it auto. I'm about to change that setting. Robert Durant, yeah, turn it off. It's there. Remember, everyone is there for themselves. Everyone is there for themselves. Other than this channel. This channel is here for you. Honestly, genuinely, you can see it. I demonstrate it over and over again. The app is there to make money for itself. Right? It's there to make money for itself. And the reason why they turn it on, they want you to turn it on, is because it's good for them. Because Robinhood, is it the Robinhood app you're using? Because Robinhood and any brokerage makes money when you trade. It's the smallest, even with a free brokerage like Robinhood, there's a tiny little bit of money they make. But they do that millions of times a day, adds up. So they want you to trade more and more and more and more. And if you turn on all the auto features, you're trading when otherwise you might be lazy and not do anything. They're constantly making money. It's good for them. Is it the best for you? The best for you is monitor it manually. Look at it. And not necessarily use the dividends from Johnson & Johnson to buy more Johnson & Johnson. Of course you can do, but there may be better opportunities. So you need to look at it. You need to watch it and see. All right, Virgin Galactic, yep. Ooh, am I excited? Yes, I'm excited because $8,000 is going to turn to $80,000. I'm telling you, and all of a sudden my portfolio is going to look serious. I'm going to look like a serious, rich trader. And people are going to go, oh my God, Martyn Lucas has a $100,000 portfolio. He grew that from $5,000. Yep, that's what I'm going to say. So, yeah. It's all about take care of the pennies, the pounds, take care of themselves. All right? Smash the like button if you just joined us. Subscribe and ring the bell. Be part of a family that is the most honest, genuine YouTube channel on YouTube. We want this to be the best YouTube channel in the world. And I think it can be that because it's real. Rivian has now popped up. So I could have made more money on that Rivian investment a bit, but it doesn't matter. I could have made money on the lottery if I'd bought the winning ticket. It doesn't matter it doesn't matter. Don't ever be concerned with that. As long as you're doing the right thing, you're doing the right thing. Doesn't matter how little of it you do. Right. I'm so happy to see Virgin Galactic doing this now. I wouldn't be surprised. I tell you what. I tell you what could be happening now. I wouldn't be at all surprised if Richard Branson is not buying back in his own shares. I would if I was him. He might know we've got some news coming out, and that's why the stock price is surging like this. Yeah, look at the volume. Let me share with you this. Look at the green candles. Look at the huge buying coming in, like really big candles. For all we know, Richard Branson could be buying back into his own stock, and the stock's going to get some big money coming into it, and that's what drives it up. Let me look at Virgin Galactic's volume. Let me show you on the app how I see it. Right, Robert Durant. I turned it off, Virgin. Yeah, I'm glad you did. Let's have a look. Right, here we go. The volume. Right, the average volume is 10 million trades a day. The average volume on Virgin Galactic is 10 million trades a day. We are nearly up to 4 million, nearly half of the volume in the morning. And the volume has gone out of Virgin recently, so this is quite a big day. We're very early in the day, and we've nearly hit half the volume. So that means a lot of people are showing interest today to Virgin Galactic. And if you look at the analysis, 11 analysis, they're not saying sell it, they're saying buy and hold it. You put the buy and hold together, and you've got nearly over 70%, 75%. No, 72, 73%. 73% of analysts are saying buy and hold it. No one's saying selling it. This is not a time to sell it. This is time to buy and hold it. So, there you go. Now, don't get me wrong. We could make a drop right now, and that's fine. If we do make a drop right now, it's fine. Tomorrow, I might look at buying into it again and doing a bit of a bounce. But I've got 544 shares. I don't need any more shares. I mean, if you look at it now, balanced portfolio sometimes means you have to sell on the way up and reduce the size of this. Remember, you've got to manage risk. Making profits is easy. Holding on to money is more difficult. On the way up, as this goes up, this portfolio, this number here, is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And I don't want Virgin Galactic to be 40% of my portfolio, which it will very quickly when it starts to go up. So what I'll do is I'll start selling on the way up. And you'll all go, you're selling out. I thought it was going to go to $80,000. Yeah, it will. But I'll sell on the way up. I'll take profits on the way up, and I'll be able to reinvest those in Tesla on dips like this. I'll be able to buy dips and other things. I won't just sit here and wait for it to get to $80,000. I'll buy dips, and I'll continually buy dips. That's what you do. I'm not investing in Virgin Galactic because I'm a fan of Richard Branson or I don't know any other reason. I'm investing in Virgin Galactic to make money, even though I think the company's brilliant, and I'll certainly buy a ticket and go on the flights. Absolutely bloody right. I'll be the first one on it. But I'm in it to make money. I'm not in it just to join a fan club. Right. Robinhood done very, very well. Great. All these things now are picking up. So we've made some free money today. We've sold all our positions. We've done our day trading. And now we are literally shooting up. I've got $121 now. Brilliant. Brilliant. Same thing. I do trade stocks. There you go. Same thing. I do. I have to translate your messages sometimes, you guys. Same thing I do in trade stocks. I think I know what you mean. Okay, so where are we going to go next? Where are we going to go next? Or am I done for the day? To be honest with you, the morning is done. We're at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock Eastern time. The initial volatility has now died off. That doesn't mean to say we can't get spikes and grow, but the dips are over. The dips are over. Now, I've got $100 here now. Where can I make the next trade from? So I've got 121. I like to keep 5, so I've got $115, right? $115. Tesla is now. Tesla's about to go up, I think. But it's only down a percent. It's not. There's not really a big drop at the minute. Rivian is now on the way up, so there's nothing there. Tesla, Virgin Galactic, Gauze, Guggenheim. There isn't any opportunity now. Lucid's now doing great. Told you it would. Hood, it's now doing great. There's nothing there to do. Palantir now, it's not down low enough for me. PayPal is rising. Emission, no opportunity there. No opportunity there. On, we made some money, but I need to get it down again to do it again. BA. No opportunity there. Apple just dropped a little bit there. What did it drop? 175 to 13. I don't want a fractional share. Apple. That's not a big enough opportunity there. I would want to buy a whole share of that. Oh, Apple dropping. That's how much can I get a share for? 170. No, it's not. I haven't got enough. I don't want a fractional share with that. Evgo, no. SEV, no. Ethereum, no. Right, I'm done. I'm done for the day. I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm happy with it all growing. Muzanella is driving and listening to the show. Muzanella, we've done great today. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. One of my really good days today. Very, very good. Traded what was that? 8 times? Did four different businesses, 4 different companies, in and out, 8 trades, maybe. Okay, so I'm happy with that. 51, we're nearly at 52. And I would imagine we'll be at 52 in the next 5 minutes. Shall I set a timer? I'm going to be at 52 in 5 minutes. Who believes me? Who believes me? Let's do a timer. 5 minutes. All right. 5 minutes, I'll be at 52,000. Who's with me? Ready? Let's see if we do it. 52,000 in 5 minutes. And this is why I think Tesla's going to lift off now. I think Rivian is going to keep going. I think SPCE will probably trade sideways now. Lucid, I think, is going to keep going. So Robinhood, I think, is going to keep going. PayPal, I think it will probably trade sideways for a little while. I think On will probably trade sideways. Rolls-Royce will definitely trade sideways. Apple, I think, will start to bounce back in a minute. So, yeah, I'm saying 52,000 in 4 minutes. What does everybody think? Everybody think I'm right? What do you reckon? Let's have a little watch. If I get this right, you're all going to start thinking, this guy is the best day trader in the world. He knows stuff. Will I get to 52,000? Right, yes or no? And that's by the time the bell goes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I'm not going to vote on it. I guess I am. I'm going to vote on it. Right. 3 minutes to go. What's everybody think? If I get this right, come on, guys. Am I the best day trader in the world? The best day trader. Right, seriously, you ready? You ready? Okay, we've got 2.5 minutes to go. Go on. This will be the greatest moment in YouTube history. Yes! Come on, get in. Get in. I did it. That's all I said I wanted to do. 52,000 before the clock ran to 0. I did it. I told you. Perfect. Shall we let the clock run out? Let the clock run out and see how high it goes. Come on, guys. Come on, you got to give me that, right? What was the votes? What did I get the votes? The votes were 100% yes. Oh, I love days like this. This is going to make a brilliant YouTube video. I'm going to put this out later on. It did it. It doesn't matter if it falls back. It did it. It did it. It did it. All of you, come on. I want to see some love in the house here because that was skill. Come on, give me some love for that. Where do you get entertainment like this? Where in the world do you get entertainment like this? There we go. It hit 52. You saw it live. It did it. Just dropped back slightly. That's trading. That's what it's all about. But we hit 52. That's fine. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's 52 again. Wow. What about that for entertainment? Was that the best thing? Was that the best bit of YouTube telly you've seen for a while? Come on, that was fun, right? Oh, that was great. That was brilliant. That worked out perfectly. So now we analyze where that came from. Let's analyze where that came from. So Tesla now rising. I said Tesla would rise again, so that's perfect. Rivian just exploded. That's great. And Rivian, you know, that's I don't know if that's going to keep going now. I think we'll slow down in a minute. Anyway, Virgin Galactic sideways. I said it would go sideways. That was good. Gores Guggenheim, that's great. Day Trader of the Year award. Yeah. Lucid Group now doing very, very well. Yeah, that's good. That might keep going. Robinhood. This is one we're interested in because this is Musanella. We really want this to do well for Musanella. That's great. Palatine now sideways. I said it would go sideways. PayPal sideways. Yep, it's from where it was a few minutes ago, it's sideways, tiny bit down. Immersion now not doing anything. Harpoon, I said that on would go sideways, and it went sideways. It's now just pushing up, but pretty much sideways. There we go. Apple, I said it would drop and come up again, and it is. And it is. There we go. Evgo is now pushing up. This is great. So a great day. A perfect day, to be perfectly honest. Very, very happy with that. Up 2.35. Bitcoin doing well as well today, up 0.5%. There we go. All right, I think we're going to end the show at that. Everybody smash the like button. Don't forget, if you want to see the inner feelings of a day an online creator, not just a day trader, a musician, an artist, with my YouTube, I've got a video coming out in a few hours' time, just before the opening bell this afternoon, and I hope you'll all watch it. It's only a short video, but it's some personal feelings about this journey and the attacks I get and all the stuff that goes on behind the scenes. So check it out later on. Robert, thank you. Thanks for being here. Thanks to all of you. And I look forward to seeing it. Today's been a perfect day. Absolutely awesome. Cameron Keane said he's up 1.8. Congratulations, Cameron Keane. That's a good score. I'm up 1.43 now, and it's a straight line. I've been able to day trade several times, make some money. I've got more money now in my buying power, which is great. I've improved my positions. I've lowered dollar averages, which is always nice, and everything's doing great. I don't think I'll trade again today. I'm a bit tired of that. That's fine. Let me end the poll. Excuse me, let me end the poll and see what you said. You all said 100% vote. Yes. 7 out of 7 said yes, you would get to 52,000 by the time the clock reached 0. And we did it twice. We even held it, which was even better. And now we've pushed through it now. That doesn't mean to say we'll hold there all day, but there we go, just as I said that. Look, it's got all the way to go to 58 before we start getting really excited, but it will do that. I'm sure it will do that in the coming weeks, by the end of the year, I'm sure. All right, well, that's it from me. Thank you ever so much for being here. I look forward to seeing you for the closing bell. Please tell your friends about this channel. Make sure that you've fully invested on the all links button. You've taken advantage of all the free giveaways. You follow me on the podcast. I need to get to 50 followers on the podcast. Help me with that. We've got NFTs coming. We've got shares in the day trader coming. We've got all sorts of wonderful things coming. Please share. Please help me grow this channel. And I'll see you all back in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other.